guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to go straight to this video, and today I'm going to do something different. We're going to create this nice looking colorful eye, sort of like a pride colors, because we are in the Pride month, so we need to enjoy and have fun. I told you guys I'm going to use the Gorgeous Me by Beauty Glaze to create 5 different looks, but I've changed my mind because I have a whole lot of Beauty Glazed makeup palettes lying around and I want to use them. I want to show you guys the colors. I want to show you everything and what you can do with it. So I think I'm going to use Your Shades by Beauty Glaze today, and I hope you enjoy this video. So let's get straight to the video. So I'm going to prime my eyes using the Revolution Cat Crease canvas in the shade Hollow to prime my eyes and to, you know, make the colors pop. So I'm going to use this I got from Wish as well. So we're going to start by using the yellow shade in here. The yellow shade is not very pigmented, and you don't need to worry or stress about it because we're going to, you know, fix it and everything is going to look good, trust me. So after, I'm going to use this to, you know, clean up the colors from the brush, and I'm going to mostly use this makeup brush for most of the eye because I feel it's much easier to use and I'm more comfortable using this. And what if you don't have a lot of makeup brushes? So yeah, next shade we're going to take is this sort of reddish color, I think. I don't know. Yeah, this one. So that's what we're going to use. You look at me. How about we just go with the flow? Now you know I feel it too. So after patting the colors, all we need to do now is to blend. We blend. Maybe just for tonight, then I'll be over. So I'm going to clean the brush again. And then we're going to take this purple shade. And we're going to place the purple a little bit down, so not all the way up. And you don't even try. Well, would you look at that? My glass is empty, glass empty. How about I get another drink, baby, drink, baby. Okay, I get it. You got. So since our purple is not all that bright and dark, we're going to take a little bit of black from the palette to deepen the eye. So I'm going to place it on the purple so that it creates like a dark purple sort of look. And I'm going to tap it on because if you know, do a windshield motion, it's gonna just be everywhere. Now I'm going to take a different brush to sort of blend everything here, like this side together. I see the sparks you throw my way. I know your name is written. So what I'm going to do now is use this brush sort of to cut my crease using the Revolution Cat Crease canvas. Think that I can see right through that disguise, but when you got close to me, you had me falling so hard, baby, yeah, now I get it, you got hands. After cutting my crease, I'm going to take this purple for the outer V. Baby, drink, baby, okay, I get it, you got fire burning right there in your. So because our purple is very light, we're going to take the black shade in the palette to give us a more darker purple. So that's what we're going to do now. So you just tap it so that it doesn't, you know, become very smoky. So just more like you know, a dark purple. Since we have sort of like a dark purple shade now, we're going to continue using the purple to, you know, create the look.
Let's go with the flow, now you know I feel it too.
One trick I want to show you guys, I have a hooded eye, and sometimes when I cut my crease, it's, you know, spurts everywhere. What I normally do is that I take a Q-tip like this, take the color, like I have a purple up here, so I'm going to take the Q-tip, put the purple sort of here. I don't go all the way towards the crease, I just, you know, do it this way, and then I turn the other side, take the black shade, and just a little bit, just, you know, just put it here, and I'm done. I'm going to use this blue shade in here. So after the blue shade, we go to the green. I'm going to use this. We're going to use the green here in the palette.
Drink, baby, okay, I get it. You got fire burning, right there in your eyes.
I'm going to take this flat sort of brush and then use my facial spray to just, you know, spray it. Then I'm going to take the yellow we used for our transition shade, and I'm going to put that in my inner tear dot area to complete the look.
Right through that disguise, but when you got close to me, you had me falling so hard, baby, yeah, now I get.
To create my wing liner, I'm going to use W7's extra fine pen for my eyeliner.
Glass empty, how about I get another drink, baby, okay, I get it, you got fire burning, right there in your eyes.
We're done with the eye look, with this beautiful pride eye look, and I'm going to just finish with my face, pop on some lashes, and be right back. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it and learned something. I just finished the look with some lashes, and you know, I have my rainbow hair clip just to, you know, finish out the look and everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to share, subscribe, like if you really liked it. And I'll see you in my next video.
You know, I feel it too. What I don't think this could be.